Welcome to Political Science 201, Introduction to American National Government and Politics. This is an online course and you will have 3.5 months to complete the work in the course. The material is divided into 4 modules, each of which will require a combination of quizzes and graded discussions, and there will be a term paper for the course as well as a midterm and a final. The syllabus that has been uploaded, of course, does not correspond to this format since it is an actual face-to-face syllabus, so I will use this course syllabus to illustrate what you would find. The Content tab at the head of the screen will include the 4 modules, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will be able to keep track of which portions you have completed. The Assessments tab gives you access to your grades that are regularly updated. The quizzes and exams that will be part of your graded material, and the rubrics that will be used for scoring those quizzes, term paper, midterm, final, etc. The Course Resource tab will include resources such as the PCC library that are very helpful, and of course the Help tab will offer you links to various forms of support. I hope this will be a good experience for you, and I look forward to hearing from you soon and to your having a successful semester.